Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. This is the fasting recipe that I bring it to you today. This is called Sabudana or Tapioca Pops. This is tapioca, the sago and potato mix, and I just made balls. It's pretty similar to the Sabudana vada, but these are not deep fried. Stay tuned for the recipe and you will see how less oil that we used in this recipe, and very interesting recipe guys, very tasty recipe. So I hope you try in your vrat days or anytime during the fasting days, or just like a tea time snack anytime during the year. So stay tuned and check out the ingredients.
Wash 2 cups of tapioca 2 times and soak it overnight.
Alright, so here are the ingredients. I have 2 cups of soaked tapioca. We will add 1 tablespoon of salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 5 to 6 green chilies thinly chopped, some coriander thinly chopped. I'll boil these potatoes for about 10-15 minutes and then grate them after peeling it off. And then this is roasted peanuts powder, half a cup. For color and extra flavor we are adding half a teaspoon of red chili powder and some cumin seeds. So let's get started with boiling the potatoes and chopping up the chilies, and then let's mix everything well. Once this dough is ready, make small size balls as you can see here. Alright, so next step is get this appakara patra or appam patra if you have. This is my non-stick appam patra, and all these balls we are adding it here after adding 1 to 2 drops of oil or ghee. So basically once the skillet is, this pan is hot, then add oil and then add the balls. So let's do that. Sorry viewers, I forgot to mention that once you add the balls in a hot skillet, keep it covered for about 2 minutes and then flip it, and then you will see the color like this. Just like so. We will now slightly tilt them and do the sides. It's not like as easy as just deep fry them, but health benefits of this, which is very less oil that we are using, that is amazing. So in the meantime, we will be doing a side dish, which is green chutney. So I have added fresh coriander, 3 to 4 green chilies, yogurt about 3 tablespoons, salt and sugar to taste, and this roasted peanut powder, so that's about 2 tablespoons. So I'm just going to simply grind this mixture in a mixie jar, and our chutney or side dish is ready. And after grinding, look at this beautiful vibrant green colored chutney, just a dipping sauce types. And let me keep this aside and let's check out all our tapioca pops if they're done. Alright, so here you go, my plating is done. I have this sabudana or tapioca pops in my plate along with this nice vibrant colored dip. And look at this, I have put a toothpick, just making good use of these toothpicks. So these are like nice party appetizer, or you can use it as a fasting recipe. So I hope you like this recipe, and if you like it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.